I have another clients, agency client, and 3 other direct clients. If you're a freelancer na looking to land a client, then if you are hiding, do you think makikita ka nila? Diba hindi? Now, if you are a bit lost, Leia, hindi ko naman kasi alam kung paano ba yung mga ipinopost-post. Don't worry. Actually, we have this process na hindi lang visibility post, you also have something na magagamit, which is ready-to-use client outreach templates, and you can grab it 50% off. Habang 50% off, just take advantage kasi hanggang January 30 na lang ito. Okay? And marami nang nag-avail nito. Anyway, ito naman is lahat ginagamit ko talaga. I also have the video paano mag-create ng content. You can actually watch it here, dito, ewan ko, sa kanan or sa left side pupunta yun. Pero dito mo siya, i-click na lang. Thank you for your time watching me and hopefully may natutunan ka. And let's close client and aim 1,250 or even more or 2,500 or 3,000 or kung magkano man yan. So let's go and let's grow.